In this video, I want to show you how to load paper in your Canon PIXMA TR7120 printer. The paper input is located down below, so stick your finger and pull this drawer towards yourself. The drawer goes out completely if you want, but you don't have, you can leave it in this position. You're gonna notice there is some blue guides. Depending on your paper size, you'll need to adjust them. In this video, I will input some US letter size. If you take a look over here, you have different paper size. You can move this small guide so it goes beside the paper size you're inputting. Letter size is LTR, right over here. For these, same thing, you can move them. And if you're printing on envelopes, they may be closer together. In my case, for letter size, I'm going to push them towards the extremities of this drawer. Never put paper above the line over here where you see the three triangles. At this point, take your stack of paper, align it, and simply let it rest like that. Again, never go above the line, if not the paper will get jammed in your printer. Put back the drawer, push it, and this is about it. Thanks for watching. Check my Amazon links if you want to get paper for this model. Subscribe, like, and don't forget to comment.